Hello dear students, today we are going to study algebraic expressions. And algebraic expressions involve sign and symbols of algebra. These symbols include the Arabic numerals, literal numbers, sign of operations and so on. Such an expression represents one number or one quantity. Thus, just as the sum of 6 and 2 is one quantity, that is 8. The sum of C and D is one quantity, that is C plus D. Likewise, we can get AB, A minus B, and so on. All algebraic expressions represent one quantity or number. Longer expressions may be formed by a combination of various sign of operations and other algebraic symbols, but no matter how complex such expressions are, they still represent one number. In this chapter, we will study the following concepts: algebraic expression and addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is made up of constant and variables. So let us discuss about what are constant and variables. Constants. A quantity which takes a fixed numerical value is called a constant. A constant has a fixed value. For an example, 3, 5, minus 7, 10 are all constant numbers. Variables. A quantity which takes various value is called a variable. The value of the variable is not fixed. For an example, A, B, C, P, Q, R, etc. are used to denote variables. Algebraic expressions are formed by combining variables and constants using the sign of fundamental operations. For an example, 2x plus 5, 2a plus 3b plus 4c are algebraic expressions. Examples. Let's see an example of 2x plus 5. In this, 2x is one term and 5 is another term. Whereas 2x can be written as 2 as constant and x as variable, where 5 is a constant. Similarly, in 2a plus 3b plus 4c, we have written the three terms 2a, 3b and 4c. 2, 3 and 4 are constant and a, b and c are variables. Various parts of an algebraic expression which are expressed by sign plus or minus are called the terms of an algebraic expression. For an example, the terms of expression 8x square minus 6xy are 8x square, one term, and minus 6xy as another term. Factors. When two or more numbers and literals are multiplied, then each one of them is called factor of expression. For an example, 3xy is 3 into x into y, therefore 3x and y are the factors of 3xy. I can write that 3xy is a term and 3x and y are the factors of this particular term. Now let us talk about degree of expression. Degree of expression is the greatest power of the variable present in the expression. Let us take an example of 4x square minus 3x plus 2, where we need to find out its degree. I can see over here 4x square minus 3x and 2 are three terms over here, whereas factors of 4x square is 4 and x, factors of minus 3x is minus 3 and x, and 2 is 2. So the degree of 4x square is 2 since x is having 2, minus 3x degree is 1 and 2 is only constant, so its degree is 0. So over here I have 2, 1 and 0 as three different degrees. So here I have degrees of three different terms, but degree of the expression is its highest degree, which is over here as 2. Let us talk about like terms and unlike terms. The terms which have the same literal factors are called as like terms. Whereas the terms which have different literal factors are called unlike terms. So here I have the examples of like terms and unlike terms. So we can see over here, in the first example, 4a, 3a and minus 2a all have same literal factor a. So we have written it as like term. Whereas in the second example, 4ab, 3a and minus 2abc all have different literal factors. So they are unlike terms. Children, now let us talk about types of algebraic expression. The first type is the monomial. The expression contains only one term is called as monomial. For an example, 4 minus y, 2abc have only one term, so they are known as monomials. The second type is the binomial. An expression that contains two terms are called as binomial, like for an example, a plus 3b. Trinomial is an expression contains three terms, like x plus y plus z, 2a plus b plus c. They are called as trinomial. An expression which contains 1, 2, 3 or more terms are called polynomial. For an example, x plus 3y minus 8z minus 4xy. So children, all this is about algebraic expression. We will study in detail in this chapter. I hope you understood. Thank you.